In this next episode of talking about stuff I got from the nursery, I got a boysenberry plant to add to my little collection of brambles. So now I have the blackberries, the raspberries, which are finally starting to leaf on the canes, and now these boysenberries. I think I've mostly had boysenberry flavored things and jams, but I don't know that I've ever had the berries themselves. From what I understand, they are taste wise kind of a cross between blackberry and raspberry, but with more tang. Um, so I am really looking forward to these. And this looks extremely healthy. It's just looks like it's about to go nuts based on how green it is and how big the canes already are. It came with this funky bamboo trellis, and I don't have anything better to put on, so it'll do just fine. So I expect that it's probably going to shoot up to the top of this thing within the next couple months. And I'm hoping to see some berries. And I'm really looking forward to what this will do. So yeah, that's another new addition to the garden and my collection of different berries. We have quite a lot of berries now with all the brambles and the strawberries and the mulberries. But yeah, I'll probably post some updates when these things are producing, and very much looking forward to the taste test. So yeah, that's boysenberries.